Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. On this channel I do all things beauty. On this channel I try as much as possible to simplify your makeup look. So today we're just going to be doing a very simple everyday makeup look. So to some persons this makeup might be very heavy for an everyday look, while to other people it's okay. So I'm just going to be starting with cleaning her face with the baby wipes to take off the extra oil, just to make sure her face is ready for the base. So I'm going to be using the Cetaphil to moisturize her face, to bring moisture back to the face. And for primer, I'm going to be using the Earlier Get Pro Prep to prime her face. It's a mattifying primer also. After priming, while the face is setting, I'm just going to go off camera and carve her eyebrows while the face is setting, and then I'm just going to line her eyebrows. And FYI, I'm using the Davis pencil in the color number 3 to draw her eyebrows. To highlight the brows, I'm going to be using 2 different shades from LA Girl. One in bronze, the darker one in bronze, and then the lighter one in medium beige. I'm going to mix the 2 to get her color, but I ended up mixing it too light. But don't worry, I'm going to show you how to darken it, or how to reduce the brightness once you make a mistake while you're mixing either your foundation or your concealer. So as you can see, it came out a little bit too light for her skin color, but not to worry, just keep watching and see how I'm going to tone it down. And then to conceal the upper part of the brow, I'm just going to use a darker shade, the shade of her foundation for her skin, to conceal the upper part of the brows. So to set the eyebrows, so I'm just going to use a much darker shade to set the eyebrow, and I'm going to be using ZK Cosmetic, one of the palettes. I'm going to be using the shade in the bronze to set the eyebrows. So all you need whenever you while mixing your foundation or your concealer and find out that you mixed it a little bit too light, or a little bit too light, all you need to do is to use a shade darker or 2 shades darker, just to balance it up. As you can see, you're going to be seeing shortly that I was able to tone it down a little bit. Okay, so I've succeeded in toning down the eyes much better. So I'm just going to proceed and line the eyebrows. So I'm going to be using, for our foundation shade, I'm going to be using these two shades from Ezekiel Cosmetic. We have the Ezekiel Even True, and then this one, the Pro Coverage. In the shade Ezekiel Cosmetic, in the shade 03 Bronze, and then the 005 Hot Amber for her shade. I'm going to be mixing the two. So after applying the foundation on her face, I'm going to use Ezekiel Cosmetic powder palette in the shade Bronze to powder her face, and after that I'm going to use the Shaz Glamorous blush palette to blush on her cheek, and that will be all. Then a little bit of red lipstick on her lips, and then I'm going to smudge her under eyes. I actually lost the clip to how I achieved the end result, but basically it's just powder and blush I applied on her face and then smudged her under eyes, and then a little pink lip gloss on her lips for an everyday look. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.